The grounded rebellion. Forget everything you've been told about healthy eating, that it's expensive, that it's reserved for people with organic-only shopping carts, that you need imported powders, exotic berries, or a luxury grocery store membership to feed your family well. Today, we're staging a rebellion. A quiet, grounded, powerful rebellion against the cost of living. Because tonight, we are turning $5 into a gourmet, nutrient-dense masterpiece. And no, this isn't survival food. This is superfood cuisine. Welcome to Story by Caring Guy, Part 1. The myth of the expensive superfood. Walk into any grocery store in 2026, and you'll see it. $18 superfood smoothie powders, $12 protein bars, $9 kale chips. Trendy packaging selling wellness. But here's the truth no one advertises. Ancient staples like lentils and cruciferous vegetables outperform many luxury health products in protein content, fiber density, iron, folate, antioxidants, blood sugar stability for a fraction of the price. Let's compare. One bag of dry lentils, around $1.50 to $2. A whole head of cabbage or bunch of kale, around $1 to $2. Onion and garlic, less than $1 combined. That's dinner for under $5. The rebellion starts here. Part 2. The foundation of the $5 masterpiece. The protein hack. Dry lentils are one of the most powerful budget foods on the planet. High in plant protein, loaded with fiber, rich in iron and B vitamins, extremely filling. And here's the trick. Buy them dry in bulk. 1 cup of dry lentils expands into multiple servings when cooked. You're not just cooking dinner. You're cooking value. The zero-waste green strategy. Now let's talk cruciferous greens. Cabbage, kale, mustard greens, broccoli stems. These are cellular powerhouses. They contain compounds that support detox pathways, immune function, and inflammation control. And here's the zero-waste rule. Use everything. Slice the cabbage core thin. It's crunchy and sweet. Use kale stems. Chop them small and saute. Save scraps for broth. Nothing wasted. Every cent maximized. This isn't poverty cooking. This is intelligent cooking. Part 3. Elevating humble ingredients with chef techniques. Now we transform. Because gourmet isn't about price. It's about technique. Step 1. Sear for flavor. Heat your pan properly before adding oil. Add onions first. Let them caramelize slightly. Then garlic. You're building depth. Add your cooked lentils and let them sit untouched for a minute. Let them develop a slight crust. That browning? That's flavor chemistry. That's restaurant-level texture. Step 2. Deglaze for complexity. Add a splash of vinegar or lemon juice. Listen to that sizzle. That acidity lifts the earthiness of lentils and makes the dish feel layered and refined. Step 3. Balance like a chef. Salt for depth. Acid for brightness. Spice for warmth. Greens for freshness. Maybe a pinch of cumin. Maybe chili flakes. Maybe smoked paprika. Suddenly, it's no longer lentils and cabbage. It's a rustic Mediterranean-inspired superfood skillet. The science of bioavailability. Here's something most budget cooking channels won't tell you. Cooking cruciferous vegetables lightly increases digestibility. Adding healthy fat improves absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. Pairing lentils with vitamin C like lemon enhances iron absorption. You're not just cooking cheaply, you're cooking intelligently. Part 4. The family table reclaimed. Now plate it beautifully. Yes, even on a tight budget. Spoon the lentils into a shallow bowl. Top with vibrant greens. Drizzle a little olive oil if available. Finish with cracked pepper. Suddenly, this doesn't look like struggle food. It looks intentional. It looks dignified. It looks like care. And here's the powerful part. When you serve a masterpiece, your family feels valued regardless of income. Nutrition is not just biological, it's psychological.